get lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's our final day here in Cebu. And for today, dito lang tayo sa resort. Wala tayong gagawin kundi sulitin tong Dusit Thani. As I've said before, ang main agenda namin in coming here is to experience this resort and also taste some of the lechon. So, this is our final day. I-maximize natin yung ibang amenities nila and facilities. I can't believe how many times we've skipped breakfast kasi this is sort of like a recovery trip. So, talagang we wake up whenever we want to lang. So, that's it. Sama kayo for today as we explore Dusit Thani Resort. Okay, so yung room natin, may access siya dun sa club lounge. So, that's the first thing we'll check. Yung lounge nila, it has all-day refreshments. And also, they serve afternoon tea. So, yun yung i-check natin ngayon. The other day din, napakita ko na sa inyo yung breakfast dun sa pinaka-main wing nila. Etong club lounge, meron din silang separate breakfast. Hindi lang namin na-experience. Tingnan natin bukas kung magigising tayo. Okay, so dito yung Dusit Club. So this is how it looks like.
Hi, Erica.
Hello.
Oh, can I have your room number?
2518.
258.
Okay, we got our table. Let's check out kung ano yung meron during their afternoon tea. So pastries. Ayan, mga pastries and bread. Ooh, focaccia. And then jams. Okay. Fruits. Cream puff. And this one. So yeah, pastries and fruit. And of course, you can request for tea or coffee. Okay, kuha tayo. Okay, so this is what we got. A little bit of everything. Excited ako sa focaccia bread. So, hindi tayo tea person. Nag-request tayo ng cappuccino. Excited ako dito. This is smoked salmon and bagel. Good. That was good. So, yung selection nila, limited lang naman. Pero it's fine kasi complimentary lang naman to. Oh, wow. Ang sarap. Ang hinahanap ko yung parang kagaya sa ano, yung dip sa Italianis. Yung oil and vinaigrette. Tanong natin baka meron.
Hugis pa lang, kala mo Spanish bread na yun.
Yung pala pandesal.
Pandesal.
Hindi tayo social. Okay, got my cappuccino. Ang laki nung cup nila for cappuccino, ah. Uy, in fairness, it's decent. Mamaya sa restaurant. Sige. Ang sarap dito. Hindi ko nakuha yung pangalan ng bread. Pero good, no? It's good. Oo.
Parang putok.
Tapos yung sesame, may dinadagdag siyang lasa. Diba? Good. Try the cream puff. Ayoko ng texture niya. Okay, tapos na kami dito sa Club Lounge. It's okay for some snacks. Let's check out the rest of the resort. Okay, here at the same floor, nandito rin yung spa nila. I am seriously thinking about getting a massage. Tingnan natin yung services nila. Ayan. So, ito yung different services nila. Nako po. So, as of today, fully booked sila. But anyway, sige, let's change into our swimsuits. Yeah. Yay! Si Cyril nakapang swimming na!
First time.
First time experience yung pool. Ako, iikot-ikot muna ako. Tingnan ko yung ibang facilities nila. Ayan, meron silang ano rito eh. Ano bang tawag nila ito? Fun zone or something? Check
Fun
natin.
zone?
Yeah.
See, I told you.
Yeah, it is. Hello! Kasama po to sa facility or may entrance fee?
May bayad po, 300.
300 per hour.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Tingnan nga natin. Para siyang ano. Uy, malaki din ah. Hanggang dito oh. Oo.
Laki yan ma'am, dito sa
Oo, dito oh. Ang laki pala. Matutuwa yung mga kids nga rito. Ha? Ang galing.
may soccer, may basketball.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Sulit nga yung 300 per hour dito.
Yes po ma'am, kung mag-unli kayo ma'am, 600 from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. po.
So, pwede silang lumabas-labas.
Yes, po.
Oh, yun. Masulit yun. Ang galing. Ano to? Massage for kids? Oh my God, ang cute. May massage for kids. Ang galing. Tapos meron pa dito. Ang nice naman. I think yung 600 na unlimited, they can go in and out. That's the best deal. Naku po, kawawa naman si Cyril. Sayang last day na namin chinek. Alright, let's go. Hanggang anong oras po to open?
8 a.m. until 8 p.m. po.
Hanggang 8 p.m. Okay, thank you po. Okay, so ang little girl, maglalaro na raw siya before mag-swim. Pay muna kayo. Wait. Hindi, may cash ako. Bye, Cyril! Bye! Love you! Have fun! Bye, guys!
Thank you.
Let's fix it.
Go! Soccer. Ah, here. Hey, dito.
Oh,
Okay. I-kick mo. Try it.
where? If I don't make it, I'll do basketball.
Okay. Okay. Basketball.
Basketball, natural. You can watch this.
Dito muna. Go! Nice one.
We made it earlier.
One more.
Oh!
Nice one. Okay.
Can I climb?
Oh yeah, go. Be careful.
I'll just be careful. I don't know how to climb though.
This one maybe Yan. Yan. Okay, go. Put your hands here. Yan, then go. Pull. Ay, ano? Okay, go. Go, go, go. Hard?
Let's just swim. I do that. Oh. Can I park her all the way there?
Okay.
But it's moving though.
Oh, okay. May slide pala.
Where should I go? Yellow?
Yeah, yellow.
Nice. Good try. Are you just walking? Let's play tic-tac-toe.
Oh, ano? Okay. Go.
good, but it's not that slippery.
I think napakita ko na sa inyo to the other day. This is the lobby area. Ayan. Ooh, they have activity. Tapos dito yung pinaka-breakfast buffet nila sa Tradewinds Cafe. Diyan. Ooh, what's this? Meron pa silang isang cafe dito. Ito, yung The Deli. Let's check out kung ano yung nasa loob ng mga food. Oh, there's wine. Hello, good afternoon.
Thank you so much.
Anong bestseller nyo rito?
Yung tiramisu po.
Tiramisu.
Saka yung mga cheesecake.
Until what time kayo open?
9 p.m.
9 p.m. Dami nilang pastries. Ito pala may cookies sila. And they also have gelato. Dami ring flavors, ha? They have about 12 flavors. Mag-withdraw muna tayo. Alam ko may ATM dito eh. There's an ATM. How convenient, right? Dalawa pala. Isang Robinsons, tas isang BDO. Okay, nakapag-withdraw na tayo. Let's explore the rest of the resort. So, from the lobby, may daan dito. Pero, mamaya na tayo bumaba dyan. Let me show you muna yung pool area. Although, I think you guys have seen this naman na on the first day. Lakad lang tayo. So, yan. Parang mini water park nila. And then, this is the kiddie pool. Tapos, ito na yung pinaka-infinity pool nila. Lakarin natin hanggang dun sa dulo. Alam ko mamaya, meron silang foam party. It's every Saturday from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. I'm excited! Ang lawak, di ba? Grabe. Tingnan natin hanggang doon sa dulo. Wala, eh. Ayan. Tapos, may isang pool pa doon. Puntahan natin mamaya. Pero yeah, hanggang dito yung infinity pool nila. And then, may area dito na mas mababaw siya ng onte. Ayan siya. Tapos dito may mga rooms na rin pala rito. Ito yung other building. Yung building namin, dun mismo sa kabila. So dito more on chill out place lang. Okay, tingnan natin kung anong meron hanggang dito. So I think access na siya papunta sa beach. Yeah. Lakarin natin hanggang dulo rito. Wala, it's just a quiet area. Tapos siguro ayun, para sa mga employees. Parang may maliliit na bahay doon. Okay, bago tayo bumaba, let's check out the other pool. Dito yung isang pool. So, I think mas peaceful dito ng konti. Yeah. Uy, okay din dito ah. So, kung mainit dun sa infinity pool, pwede rito. Ano kaya nandito sa gilid? Ah, wala na. Okay. Sige. Let's go to the beach front. Okay, let's go to the beach front. Saan tayo start? Start tayo sa dulo. Ayan, start tayo dito sa pinakadulo. Wow, in fairness, ang linis ha. Sarap maglakad dito. I wonder kung may access dun sa boardwalk. Tingnan natin. So for now, lakad muna tayo dito. Ayan. Malapit na tayo. Pero ang ganda na dinaanan natin, oh. Look. Ah, diba? This is perfect for morning walk. Ayan. So, they also have a flag warning system. That's good. And then, tidal predictions. Okay, good. Ay, sayang. Sarado. Sarado yung boardwalk. Pero, tingnan natin yung beach. Let's check it out. Ganda rin dito, oh. Peaceful. So, today is a gloomy day. But that's fine. Oh my gosh. Beware of jellyfish and sea urchins. So, alam na. Be careful and make sure that you have aqua shoes. So, ito yung pinaka beachfront nila. Actually, ano siya? Para siyang pebble beach. Hindi siya buhangin, oh. But this is a nice area to relax. Nalakad tayo dito. Ah, mukhang may bonfire sila pag gabi. Here. Let's check out the water. Ay, yak. Sorry, yak agad. Meron kasing lumulutang na plastic. Ayun, oh. Bayan, basura. Ito pa. Bayan, ang daming basura. Ayan pa. Ito pa. Tapos para siyang malalim agad, ha. So, yeah. Sakto lang yung tubig. Oh my God. Lumulubog ako agad. Akyat tayo. Medyo madumi yung beach. Ang daming pebbles. Dapat nagpaa muna ako. Anyway, sige, lakad tayo. Nakikita nyo ba yung parang shipwreck doon? Ayun o, wait. Yan. Okay, So, ito yung kabilang daan paakyat. Medyo masakit sa paa yung pebbles. Yan. Hiningal ako. Tapos dito, merong area to just sit down and chill. Pwede rin kayo kumain dyan. Order kayo sa taas and then padala nyo rito. Let's check out the rest of it. If I'm not mistaken, dito ata yung buffet. Paggabi. Okay, lakad pa tayo. Ganda rito, oh. Masaya siguro rito or maganda rito kapag sunset. Pero mukhang walang magaganap na sunset for today kasi it's gloomy. So maganda naman yung resort. Malaki siya. Yan, no? Maganda yung ibang facilities. Kaso, yung beachfront, I wasn't that impressed kasi madumi siya. And then, tawag dito, masakit sa paa yung mga pebbles. Medyo panic mode ng konti kanina kasi ang bilis kong lumubog. So, sabi nila, this is a 5-star resort. Based on what we've experienced so far, ang observation ko lang is the customer service can be improved further. Kasi ilang beses namin na-experience yung we need something. So, we call the front desk, pero ang tagal nilang sumagot. And also, you have to repeat the request multiple times para madala siya sa'yo. Tapos, at first, yung towels din, mukha siyang worn out talaga. Pero the next day, pinalitan naman nila ng mukhang bago. Ano pa ba? Yeah, so, 5-star experience itself. I'm sorry, pero medyo ang standard ko kasi sa ganun is si Discovery Shores, Boracay. Like when it comes to service, facilities, amenities. So dito medyo nakukulangan pa ako. I wouldn't really consider it as 5-star. Oh, meron pa silang ganito, oh. Seaside Promises, Locks of Love. And then, I think, access din ulit to papunta sa beach. Yep. Okay. Tignan muna natin yung view rito. Malinaw yung tubig. Ayan na, may pa-music na sila. Yan din, yung music na yan. Medyo rinig siya sa room namin doon sa taas. Pero ang cute, pinagsasayaw doon, no? I don't know kung kita. Ayan. Okay, lakad pa tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita natin dito. But this area that I'm walking on, it's really nice. Nakaka-relax siya. I mean, don't get me wrong ha. Okay naman dito sa Dusit Thani. Lahat naman ng, resorts, companies or even persons, there are rooms for improvement, right? So sa kanila, yon yung mga nabanggit ko. There are small things that really deal breakers. Ano kaya meron dito? Paikot nito, paakyat, I think. Tingnan natin. Oh, okay, yeah, paikot na nga siya, paakyat. So dito baka mas kita yung ship. Yan. Ha, napagod napagod ako at pinawisan ako. So anyway, ayun, mukhang nalibot na natin yung kabuuan ng Dusit Thani Resort. Hopefully, it gives you an idea of what to expect when you stay here. So for now, ang gagawin natin, magsuswimming na tayo and let's wait for the foam party. See ya later! Ayan na, start na yung foam party. Ang galing. Yay! Nandito na si Cyril and Daddy. Hi Cyril, what are you doing? Playing with the foam. Ayan na si Daddy, first time magsa-swimming dito. Okay, wait for me. Oh my God, ang dulas. Ayan. Pinarent ulit ni Cyril itong floaty. So, let's go! Here you go! Whoopsie! Ano pa mo na rito, Cyril? Hi! Hi! Ay, walang handle?
So, may handle dapat yun. Wala ka masyado, baby.
Yeah, let's go!
Eh, sarap pala yung tubig, mainit.
Yeah, mainit. Warm siya. Say hi ka din, Cyril.
Sakto, baby, pinawisan tayo dun sa ano.
Nag-enjoy siya?
Oo.
Buti nakalaro ka pa, Cyril.
Saka hindi masikip yung mga ano.
Sige ma.
So yung mga ano, yung mga tunnel.
Ah.
Hindi siya sobrang sikip.
Ay talaga? Oh, you okay? You okay?
Malalim dito.
Hindi, abot niya yan, tinan mo. Tiptoe mo siya. Nagpanik lang yan. Abot niya yan.
Float ka, baby, float.
Ah, float ka daw. Float.
No, give me it.
Hindi mo kita dyan. Doon pa siya sa baba eh. Yan. It's a gloomy weather today. Ano oras na? 4 PM, no? Mga 4 PM. Ayan. Walang araw. Wow! Hi, Cyril!
Dapat medyo magindapin mo eh.
Gusto niya nga yan eh. Ang hirap ka gamitin.
Dapat kasi may handle yan nasira.
Yeah. Ang kinaganda naman talaga dito dahil ang laki ng pool nila, it doesn't feel crowded. Yan. Diba? Ang laki oh. See? Tapos ang sarap pa tumambay banda rito kasi ganda ng view. Ayan na, start na yung foam party. Hi, Cyril! Sakit siya sa mata. Medyo nakakasomokit nyo tayo. Hi, Cyril! Let me see, Cyril! Ano po? So medyo masakit siya sa mata kasi syempre may sabon siguro to.
Malulubog ka kasi malalim yun.
Yeah.
Malulubog ka sa bubbles.
Oh my God. itsura ko. Okay, so enjoy muna namin to. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!